to put these on my teeth. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got these on my teeth. Let's just jump right into it. She be slanging things like a simian. So this is basically what I'm using. I have two gems here that I'm indecisive about. I have Kiss nail glue, I have a tissue to wipe my tooth with, and a bobby pin for the glue. Also, you want to read the warning signs of the glue and just make sure that it doesn't say something like do not ingest, even though why would you drink glue anyway? So here I noticed the big ones were too big and decided not to use them. I switched those out for these smaller ones, just so it can be easier on putting the glue onto the tip of the bobby pin. Before applying the adhesive, make sure your tooth is dry by using that tissue, paper towel, whatever. Wipe your tooth first. Directly after applying that adhesive, you want to put that gem on quick and adjust it even quicker because it will dry out on you. So make sure you adjust it to your liking as soon as you put it on there. We're going to do the same exact thing on this side. Apply it quick, adjust it quick. Y'all, after all this work, we finally got the look. And then boom. It was my first time doing it, so I don't know. But it looks cute. Also, just a quick disclaimer. Anything that's not food, you probably shouldn't be putting in your mouth. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just comment. Follow me on Instagram, and see you guys soon. All the hair companies sponsor me.